Yo, what's good, homies at home? It's your boy RC here. Getting ready to get into this video by young Astroo called "A Simple Cough Could Be So Deadly." It's a headphone warning on here, so it's about to be something like ear rape. Hopefully not. But let's go ahead and hop into the video right now. That ear rape shit get on my nerves sometimes. But, yeah. Told you it's ear rape. But that really does happen where you cough and just turn catastrophic. That's a little too much. That's a little too much, but it's funny. I'm definitely clicking the like button on this after this. Oh man. Definitely clicking the like button.
What happened? What? Whoa, hold on, I'm
That's
dead?
what happened.
Yo, that's crazy. All from a cough, though? That's how I go out? A cough?
Pretty much.
Bro, I'm literally out my body. Like, that's me right there, bro.
I died from a cough.
That's entertainment right there.
Life is crazy. Jesus.
I just made some.
That was funny. I enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm clicking the like button. 39th like on that video too. That was funny. I definitely enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all did too. Definitely be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share. And until next time, much love. Stay cool, y'all. Peace.